Today is the big race day. Is everyone ready?
Yes, Ella. I'm really excited for the race. Let's get started.
I'll be watching the race from above.
I checked my engine. I'm ready.
I'll easily overcome the obstacles with my big wheels.
My water sprayers are working. I'm ready too.
My bucket is ready. I can't wait to tackle the obstacles. No one can go faster than me.
I'm even faster. I'm going to win the race.
Ready?
Oh no, I'm stuck here.
Woswos, I'll get you out of there.
But we're in a race. You need to keep going.
You're my friend. I can't leave you behind.
Thank you, Digger. Let's speed up and catch up with the others. Hey, fire truck, watch out!
I'm lifting the branch, fire truck.
But we're in a race, Digger.
I can't leave you like this.
Thanks, Digger. Let's speed up and catch up with the others.
Sorry, police car.
Hey, police. I'll get you out with my bucket.
No, keep racing, Digger.
I can't leave you behind.
Digger, you're a true friend.
Hey, Woswos, what are you doing? We're in a race, Digger. Keep going. I'll get out on my own.
No way. I can't do that because you're my friend.
Thank you, Digger. The others are ahead. I need to catch up to them.
It's a very competitive race. Rocket is off the track. Hey, Rocket, you okay?
You could have won the race, Digger? Why did you stop?
A race car should be able to finish its race. Let me help you.
It was a great competition. You all did very well.
Now, we announce the winner! And the winner is
I won! Hooray! I won!
Tigger!
But there must be a mistake.
But I came in last?
Digger, without your help, no one could have finished the race.
You accepted being the last one to make sure everyone else could finish the race. Of course I'd help, because you are all my dear friends.
That's why you should be the winner of this race, Digger.
Yes, that's right. So Digger is the winner.
Bravo, dear Digger.
Hooray! Digger won the race!
Congratulations.
Toon Kids. Dr. Ella, what's wrong with me? There are noises coming from your engine. Cough for me, please. Please tell me what's wrong.
Is anyone there? Save us, it's too hot, I can't
Huh?
stand it. Save us, it's too hot, I can't stand it. Is anyone there? Oh, it's so hot, save us, save us!
Hey guys, did you hear the voices too?
Yes, Ella. We heard them too.
Someone must be in trouble.
Let's go find where the sound is coming from.
It's too hot, I can't stand it. Help!
They're in there. Let's help them. Oh, this place looks so much fun.
Friends, this is the kitchen. Full of dangers. We shouldn't touch anything.
Look, when you press here, the lid moves.
Whoa, I'm flying! No, I'm falling!
Friends, I said we shouldn't touch anything, didn't I?
Okay, Teddy Bear, you're right.
Save us! It's so hot, I can't stand it.
The sounds were coming from here.
This is called an oven, friends. It can burn us if we touch it.
How are we going to save them?
Do you see the round parts on it, Ella? Oven shut off when you turn them.
I can turn it, but how will I get there?
I have an idea.
Are you ready, Ella? I'm ready, Woswos. 1, 2, 3, jump! You did it, Ella. Yes, we did it. Which way should I turn this? Right or left?
It's so hot, I can't stand it. Is anybody there? It's so hot, I can't stand it.
Sorry, that was wrong. I'm turning it the other way.
Now you've done it, Ella.
Yeah, hooray.
How will we get the ones in the oven out?
Woswos, we can open the oven door with your rope.
Good idea.
The lid is completely open. We did it. We saved everyone.
Oh, finally we're saved. I'm stuck, I can't get up.
It was so cozy in there. Now I'm cold.
These are the gingerbread men.
Gingerbread lady.
You're supposed to bake in the oven anyway. Why did you ask for help?
My side was too hot, look how I've darkened. My side was fine, actually.
I'm still cold.
I'm stuck. I can't get up, please help me.
I have an idea.
Oh, that feels good. Thanks, guys. You saved me. This milk is also delicious.
You've grown so much, Gingerbread Man.
Wow, that's great. I want milk too, please.
I want some milk too, but make it warm.
Anyway, I changed my mind.
Me too. I feel so good. All soft everywhere.
Toon Kids.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I wish you were here too. I don't want to spend my birthday alone at home.
Sophia was very upset. Did you see it too? Yes, today is her birthday. Her family is out of town. I wish we could cheer Sophia up.
What if we decorate the whole place for her birthday?
Like having a birthday cake.
Then why don't we do it?
By doing these, Sophia might realize we are moving.
We can make it look like Ethan did all this.
How?
It's very easy. Look, let me explain. Here's what we do. We whip the eggs and sugar. Now, Digger, let's add milk and oil. Vanilla, baking powder, and flour. Hooray! Our cake batter is ready. Let's mix it well and put it in the oven. Let's take the cake to the room. The helicopter is bringing Ethan.
Got you now. Ugh, escaped again. You can't escape from me! Oof! Where did this helicopter go? What's happening here? This cake, decorations, balloons, this gift. What are you up to again?
Oh, Ethan, I can't believe it.
I didn't do anything, Sophia. It was like this when I arrived.
What do you mean?
I don't know. The toys must have done it.
You're such a joker, Ethan. Thank you, my dear friend. You didn't forget my birthday. You even made a cake.
Yes, Sophia, there's also a cake. Happy birthday. Shall we eat your cake now?
Sure, Ethan, but let me open your gift first. I'm very curious.
I'm curious too. What did I get, I wonder?
Ethan, I had the wrong idea about you. I thought you were just some weird kid obsessed with toys. Turns out you're so thoughtful.
Yes, I definitely am. Let's blow out the candles and eat the cake.
Okay, it looks delicious.
Toon Kids.
Watch this move closely.
Wow! Do it again, Woswos! Do it again!
Huh?
Oh!
Kid, are you okay?
I'll be fine if the bear gets off me.
It's not a bear on you, kid.
Ah, bear, did I do this to you? I'm sorry, buddy. I'm so sorry. Wait a second, bear. I had a bad accident with the bear and I hurt him badly. Woswos! Bear? Armless bear?
Okay, it seems everyone is expecting an explanation. When Sofia found me, I was an orphaned, abandoned, stained, one-armed bear. I was desperately waiting in the corner where I was abandoned. Then I saw her. She glanced at me. After taking a few steps, she turned back.
Who left you here, little bear? Oh, you're in such bad shape, your arm is torn off.
So why had you become like that?
Because my friend was a very small child and played with me naughtily. When I became unusable,
That's very sad.
Then, how did you become as you are now?
with Sofia's love and care, of course.
Hey, don't interrupt the story. It was going so well. Go on, go on.
Yes, we stitched your arm. Now it's bath time. You smell so nice now, little bear. It would be good to make this arm again.
I can't say it wasn't a bit difficult, but finally...
Done! It turned out great!
Wow! I didn't know you had such a story, Bear. You interrupted again, though.
What are you doing, Woswos?
I'm checking if they made your arm sturdy.
Leave him, child.
Okay, I'll check another time.
This is me in the photo. Sophia's grandmother gifted me.
I don't remember how I came here. Don't you remember anything? It feels like I've always been here.
Let's take a good look at the album, Woswos. Maybe we'll find a clue.
You were a race car, Woswos. Look!
Seems like a clown to me.
These look like stains. I think you were rusty.
I'll never know where I came from.
Where you came from doesn't matter.
What you were in the past is irrelevant.
We love you just the way you are.
I love you guys too.
Hello, little adventurers! Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our thrilling and joyful journeys.